Hello everyone, hi, namaskar, adab, sat sri akal. You are watching Crime Tak English. I welcome all of you to Crime Tak family and I hope everyone part of this family is doing well and fine. Since morning I was doing lives on Mehul Choksi. Still I am doing. I got some time. There was a break on news channel, both Aaj Tak on and India Today. And in middle of it when I got time, I thought I should update you what is happening in the Mehul Choksi's case and also one interesting fact that who will bring Mehul Choksi. So first I'll come to the second part, who will bring Mehul Choksi. And my friends, this is going to be very interesting because Mehul Choksi, the perception is that this person has defrauded the Indian government, the common people of India like you and me. Our tax has gone to Mehul Choksi and he has defrauded more than 13,000 crore along with Nirav Modi. So who will bring Mehul Choksi? My friends, there is an IPS officer, Shraddha Raut, a Maharashtra cadre IPS officer, is in Dominica. And it is a proud moment for Maharashtra, it is a proud moment for, uh, you know, the Central Bureau of Investigation that this DIG level officer, Shraddha Raut, will be bringing Mehul Choksi if he is deported from, from Dominica. Now, Shraddha Raut is someone I know from last 6-7 years when I was in Mumbai doing the crime reporting in the city. Then I met Shraddha Raut several times, a very sharp officer with a very clean image, no corruption, no link to any person who is involved in corruption. So she has a very clean image. She is someone who can manage law and order very well. You remember Palghar incidents, and she was in zone 11 in Mumbai, the entire area of Borivali and all. And at that point of time, there were many criminal activities like chain snatching and other things which was happening in the city. But when Shraddha Raut joined as a DCP, took the charge of that particular zone, then the entire crime was suppressed to a level where we can say that yes, we as a citizen are safe. So I spoke to her many times regarding stories, but today it feels very good that the same officer who is on deputation in the Central Bureau of Investigation is in Dominica, and she will be the one who is representing the case from the Indian side. And also, my friends, she is the one who is communicating with the Dominican authorities. What she is communicating, what she is doing in Dominica, I will tell you later. But the first part, she will be the one who will be arresting Mehul Choksi. And how she will be arresting? If Mehul Choksi is deported by the Dominican court, by the Dominican authorities to India, so Mehul Choksi will be brought in a private jet. It's a Qatar executive private jet which is already in Dominica, and once deportation is, once the Dominican court asks to deport Mehul Choksi, then Mehul Choksi will be asked to sit in that private jet. There are 8 people from India, and Shraddha Raut will be the person who will be accompanying Mehul Choksi right from Dominica to India. And the moment the flight will land in Delhi, Mehul Choksi will be placed under arrest by Shraddha Raut. So this is going to be very interesting. A female officer who is of DIG rank, that woman, that officer will be arresting a person who is at this point of time the most wanted person for India. Now what she is doing from last few days. Ladies and gentlemen, extradition or deportation is a very technical legal process. To overcome this legal process, Shraddha Raut along with another CBI officer and 3-4 other Indian officials from MEA and other agencies, they are in constant touch with the Dominican authorities. They are in Dominica. The 8-member team of India is in Dominica since May 28, and they are in constant touch with the Dominican authorities. Now, during these several meetings with the Dominican authorities, India has shared the background of Mehul Choksi, second, his criminal activities including bribing the Punjab National Bank officials, his criminal activity which led to bank fraud of more than 13,500 crore. So these documents have been submitted before the Dominican authorities. A presentation was given to the Dominican prosecutor because Dominican prosecutor is arguing the case on behalf of India, and The other part which is going to be interesting is about the nationality, because there is a lot of controversy that Mehul Choksi is an Antiguan citizen, Mehul Choksi is an Indian citizen, but India will now prove in black and white. India will now prove in black and white that Mehul Choksi is an Indian citizen and he should be deported back to India, not to any other country. And how India will prove? So I spoke to my sources, I told you earlier also, and one of the government official who is part of the investigative team, he told me that when Mehul Choksi was awarded this Indian Antiguan citizenship in November 2017, then there was a process which Mehul Choksi was supposed to complete to surrender his Indian citizenship, but he never completed that process. So he is an Indian citizen. These things are also being supported by his active identity cards, which includes PAN card, Aadhaar card and ration card. The third important point is that there is a red corner notice against Mehul Choksi, and if any person has a red corner notice against him, then if he is arrested, then he should be sent back to the country where he is wanted, and it doesn't matter about the nationality or whether the person has been arrested by any country. What matters is that there is an extradition treaty with that country. If there is no extradition treaty, then the person can be deported, and in this case what we are expecting that Mehul Choksi will be deported back to India. So these things are happening with Mehul Choksi in Dominica. The court proceedings are on. By the time you will watch this video, I think there will be more development, and the moment there is a verdict in the case, if there is any important development, if he is deported back to India, I will join you guys once again. Now, as far as the Mehul Choksi's strategy is concerned, it is also important because we are talking more about what the government is doing or what the police agency, CBI, ED is doing in this case. So I also want to talk about what Mehul Choksi's strategy is. So first strategy is to prove that he was illegally abducted and arrested in Dominica. He is going to claim that this was an operation carried out by the Indian government officials and the Antiguan government officials. So there was a joint operation in which Mehul Choksi was abducted. This is what they are going to argue before the court. The second important point for Mehul Choksi is going to be that he is an Antiguan citizen, so he should be sent back to Antigua and not to India. The third important point for him is going to be that this is a case of illegal entry. India is not at all party in this case. India can be party only if there is an argument about deportation or extradition, but here the matter is only about illegal entry and India is not party. So the documents submitted by the Indian authorities or the documents submitted by the Dominican prosecuting agency in regards to India's case, that those documents are not valid at this point of time. This is what is going to be. And Mehul Choksi, my friends, remember, he is mastermind of 13,500 crore bank scam. There are several allegations against Mehul Choksi. Now what is going to be important is his team of lawyers. And what I have been given to understand is that there are more than 7 to 8 lawyers who will be arguing on behalf of Mehul Choksi, a battery of lawyers. And these lawyers include lawyers from Antigua. The former Attorney General of Antigua is in Dominica to argue case for Mehul Choksi. There are 7 to 8 top lawyers of Dominica who will be arguing the case on behalf of Mehul Choksi. Also, there are 4 lawyers who flew from Britain directly to Dominica just to make Mehul Choksi's case stronger on the legal point. So Mehul Choksi is also, he is loaded with money. He is a rich man, and how rich he is, I will just give you an example. The total GDP of Antigua, where Mehul Choksi has been staying since May 2018, the total GDP of Antigua is 12,000 crore. And the total amount of money which Mehul Choksi defrauded with Nirav Modi is 13,000 crore. So more than what the entire GDP of the country is, that money is with Mehul Choksi and Nirav Modi. So you can understand what he is capable of at this point of time. Now, friends, I will not give much detail about other things. Those are not important. I have told you earlier also. But what is going to be important is the court's decision, and I promise you, once there is a court decision, I will get back to you as soon as the verdict is announced by the Dominican court. And thank you so much for watching Crime Tech English. I hope that you like the videos. I hope that I am updating you with the important news, with the important happenings happening all around the world. And if you want me to tell any other story, any other crime story, you can just share it in the comment box. I'll be more than happy to study about it, do my research, speak to the experts, lawyers, police, and then I will come up with that story. So thank you once again for watching this.